Hi friends, it's Miss Andrews. I'm going to show you how to complete your activity for Friday. So this week, you are going to think about all of the things you did with your friends this school year. Whether we did our mail job together, you played blocks together, you drew pictures together, you ate lunch together, we went outside together. You are going to think of all the fun things you did with your friends, whether it was during our distance learning time or the time in our classroom. Your job is going to be to draw a picture of your favorite activity you did with your friends this school year. You are going to click the link in the Google Meet box. This link is going to bring you to a PowerPoint that says, what was your favorite thing to do in school with your friends this year in school? You are going to go to the slide with your name on it, and you are going to upload your drawing of your picture of your favorite school time activity. So Miss Andrews wrote, this school year, my favorite activity was to complete our class mail job each Friday. I had so much fun sorting and collecting mail with my class. You might need a mom or dad or friend to help you with this next step, friends. They are going to take a picture of your drawing and upload it to the PowerPoint. So once your picture is uploaded to your computer, you are going to just drag it and put it on our PowerPoint so all of your friends will be able to see as you're working. You might need to edit it or move it so it's looking straight and ready, just like Miss Andrews did. And I drew a picture of mail because my favorite job was sorting mail with my friends. By the end of the week, my goal is that all of our sides were finished for each of our friends sharing what their favorite activity was to do this school year. On Friday, we are going to get to share our drawings and talk about them with all of our friends. This week, we are learning all about friends and kindness. So we are going to talk about how we were kind with our friends this year and what fun things we got to do this school year. I hope you have a lot of fun completing this activity, friends. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.